Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is theory of equations long answer type question. Solution of reciprocal equation. This type of equation is called reciprocal equation. It is a very important question in mathematics 2A. Okay. What about the reciprocal equation actually? Reciprocal equation is if f of x equals to 0, then in the place of x equals to put 1 by x, then it will also be f of x equals to f of x, then it is called reciprocal equation actually. Now in reciprocal equation we are discussing about class 1, class 2. What are the classes? If f of x equals to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on a n equals to 0 is called reciprocal equation when quotients are equal like this. First one and last one. From first second one, from last second one. Like these are equals to each other. Okay. Now it is called the reciprocal equation of class 1. When it is becomes as a class 1, a k equals to a n minus k. Suppose a0 equals to a0 equals to a n, a1 equals to a n minus 1, like these quotients are equal. Ak equals to a n minus k. Now signs also be equal. If it is a plus, 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 minus, minus, like that. Now it is called class 1 reciprocal equation. Class 1 reciprocal equation. Similarly, class 2 of reciprocal equation, if a k equals to minus of a n minus k. A k equals to minus of a n minus k. That means a naught equals to minus a n and a1 equals to minus a n minus 1 or minus a2 equals to plus a n minus 2, like that. Okay. These are class 1 and class 2. Okay. For suppose when we know the before of the problem, that is a class 1 or class 2 or odd or even. Odd means even. Suppose n is a even, now it is called even degree reciprocal equation. If n is odd, then that is a odd degree equation. Odd degree equation, even degree equation, and class 1, class 2. Suppose we know the classes and degrees, even degree, odd degrees equations, just we can write the answers. Roots x equals to 1 or minus 1. Sometimes it is a minus 1 and plus 1. Sometimes it is a dividing by only x square. Okay. Now we can write in the table to substitute directly like this. Definitely you need to this table. Suppose that is a class 1 and a class 2 and odd and even. Suppose the reciprocal equation is a class 1 and odd degree. It is a degree, odd degree, class 1. Then x equals to direct minus 1. Just we can substitute minus 1. That is a 0. Okay. Then x equals to minus 1 is a one of the solution. If that is a odd degree and class 2, then x equals to plus 1. Okay. And if that is a even degree class 1, first of all, even degree class 2, if even degree class 2, now x equals to minus 1 and also plus 1. Both are solutions. When if even class 2, x equals to plus or minus, both are solutions. Okay. Now if even degree class 1, there is no minus 1 and plus 1. Just we can dividing by x square. Dividing by x square to the equation. Okay. This is the information about the reciprocal equation class 1, class 2, even, odd and solutions. Okay. For every solution of reciprocal equation, just we can observe the classes and degrees. Okay. Now this is the information about the reciprocal equation. Definitely you can observe this table. Okay. Let us go to the solution of given equation. Now given equation is a which degree? Even degree. Yes or no? Okay. F of x equals to 6x x power 6, 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 equals to 0 is definitely, it is a even degree and also class 2. Yes or no? Even degree class 2. Now it is the reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation of class 2 even degree or even degree reciprocal equation of class 2. Okay. Class 2 even degree equation. Okay. Then now it is a definitely reciprocal equation of class 2 even degree. Now even degree, for even degree class 2 we can take the solutions are x equals to plus or minus 1 definitely. Yes or no? Okay. Now just write x equals to plus or minus 1. Then x equals to plus or minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1, okay, are the roots of f of x equals to 0. Okay. Now let we get two solutions already. Just we need 4 solutions only. Yes or no? We have 6 solutions because of degree is a 6. Yes or no? Okay. Now by taking synthetic division, method, finding remaining roots also. Okay. How to find the remaining roots? By taking these 2 roots. Okay. Let x equals to 1. Now taking the quotients of given equation, it is a 6, x power 6 quotient is a 6 and x power 5 quotient is a minus 25 and x power 4 quotient is a 31. There is no x cube quotient, that's why taking 0. X cube quotient is a 0. Yes or no? Okay. And x square quotient is a minus 31 and x quotient is a 25 and last one constant is a minus 6. Okay. Then take 0. 6 plus 0 is a 6. 6 into 1 is a 6. Minus 25 6 minus 19. Minus 19 into 1 minus 19. 31 minus 19. 11 minus 9 2. 2 minus 1 1 plus 12. 12 into 1 12. 0 plus 12 is a 12. 12 into 1 is a 12 and minus 31 plus 12 is a minus 19. Minus 19 into 1 is a minus 19. 25 minus 19 is a plus 6. 6 into 1 is a plus 6. Now this is cancelled. Minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. 0. Okay. Definitely we should get 0 here. Observe the quotients 6 6 minus 19 minus 19 12 12 like reciprocal quotients. Yes or no? Okay. And also taking x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. Take again 0. 6 plus 6 0 is a 6. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Minus 19 minus 6 minus 25. Minus 25 into minus 1. Minus 25 into minus 1. 25. Now it is a 37. 37 into minus 1 minus 37. Minus 37 plus 12 minus 25. Minus 25 into minus 1 plus 25. Plus 25 minus 19 6. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Okay. Again observe 6 6 minus 25 minus 25. Middle one only one, that's why only single one. Okay, 37. Okay. Now f of x should be right. Already we get x equals 1 and x equals minus 1, then x plus 1 and x minus 1 already we have. Okay, then remaining, okay, remaining 4 degrees sir. Okay, 4 roots. So that's why we can write 6x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6. Okay, we got one more reciprocal equation in 4th degree. Yes or no? Okay, now let's take g of x equals to 6x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6. Let observe it is a even degree. Okay, definitely dividing by x square. Okay, then we will get what? 6x square minus 25x plus 37 minus 25 by x, yes or no? Only x is there, yes or no? Plus 6 by x square equals to 0. Okay. Now we can observe x square quotient 1 by x square quotients are equal. That's why 6 is common. Then x square plus 1 by x square minus 25x 25 by x. Again here also 25 common, x plus 1 by x, and remaining is a 37 equals to 0. Just we can taking if x plus 1 by x equals to t, suppose taking squaring on both sides, definitely we will get x square plus 1 by x square equals to t square minus 2. Okay. Now put the values in the equation. Then 6 into t square minus 2 minus 25 into t plus 37 equals to 0. Yes sir. Okay. Let 6 into t square, 6t square minus 12 minus 25t plus 37 equals to 0. Okay. Then 6t square minus 25t plus 37 minus 12 is a plus 25. Yes sir. Okay. 12 write down, 5 and plus 2. Okay. Now 6 and 25. Now we can solving it is a quadratic equation. Now we can solving this equation by formula and also splitting. Okay. How to solve this one? By taking splitting like this. 6 into 25, 3 into 2 into 5 into 5. Yes or no? Then how to get 25? Think 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? 10 plus 15 equals to 25. Simply. Then substitute 6t square. Now splitting 10t minus 15t plus 25 equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay na? Then 6 and 10 are 2 multiples. Then 2 is common. 2t common. Then it is a 3t minus 5. And also here 15 and 25. 5 multiples, 5 common. And 3t minus 5 here equals to 0. 3t minus 5 into 2t minus 5 equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay. Then 3t minus 5 equals to 0 and 2t minus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Let first one 3t minus 5 equals to 0, but t equals to we know x plus 1 by x. Let's substitute x plus 1 by x minus 5 equals to 0. Yes or no? Now 3 into it is a x square plus 1 by x minus 5 equals to 0. Definitely 3 into, now multiplying with x, total equation multiplying with x, 3x square plus 3 minus 5x equals to 0. Now writing order 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. 3 3 Now here possible to take the splitting? No. Yes or no? Okay. Now that's why, because of 3 3s are 9. But here only 5. So that's why applying formula x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. b square means 25 minus 4ac. 4 9s are 36 by 2a, 2 into 3, 6. X equals to 5 plus or minus the root minus 11 only, 6. Then x equals to 5 plus or minus 11 under root 11 I by 6. Yes or no? Under root minus 1 is nothing but I. Okay. That's why x equals to 5 plus or minus under root 11 by 6. Okay. We get 2 roots. And more 2 roots. Second one. Let 2t minus 5 equals to 0, same like this. 2 into x plus 1 by x minus 5 equals to 0. Again, now LCM is x square plus 1, yes or no? Okay, minus 5 equals to 0. Multiplying with x, then we will get 2x square plus 2 minus 5x equals to 0. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Yes, splitting is possible. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Yes or no? Now you can write 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Then 2x is common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. Then x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to x minus 2 equals 0. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. Here 2 roots. Already first of all we took 2 roots. Okay. Then totally solution is x equals to plus or minus 1 and 1 by 2, 2, 5 plus or minus I root 11 under root 11 by 6. Okay. Total 6 roots because of degree is 6. Okay. This is the solution. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.